on vaccination. So you didn't get the vaccination appointment today? Already got?
No, sir. Mine is
No,
tomorrow.
tomorrow for me.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so when you booked this one?
Mama,
No, when you booked this one? Long back?
Sir, maybe in July only, somewhere in the middle or at the end.
March.
No,
Sir,
sir,
last
July.
month only came.
Eh?
sir, mine was done on March 18.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so you'll get it tomorrow then. Okay. Okay. So we continue the chapter, Heron's formula chapter, right? The edges of a triangular board, right? The edges of a triangular board. The edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. The edges of a triangular board are.
Sir, yesterday's we have to continue, right?
Yeah, class yesterday's class now.
Yeah, no, yeah. Sides of a quadrilateral are A, B, C, D, A, B, 13 centimeter, 13 B, C, 16, 1.
Are you finished now?
No, sir, we did not complete.
Why didn't you finish? I told you to complete now.
Oh,
You
okay,
come-
okay, by hours. Okay, sir, I will do it
The
now.
edges of a triangular board, the edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. The edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 6, 8, and 10. Okay. The cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise per centimeter square. 9 paise per centimeter square. Find out. Find the cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise per centimeter square. What we'll do? You have to find out the area and multiply it by 9. Okay, then you can divide by 100. You can make it rupees. Okay, do that.
Repeat the question.
The edges of a, listen, the edges of a triangular board, the edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. 6, 8, 10. Find the cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise per centimeter square. 9 paise per centimeter square. What we will do? You find out the area, then multiply by 9. Then divide by 100. Can convert to rupees. So today then missionary for this like in school, all school students got, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try this one.
Sir, so the edges of a triangle board are 6, 8, and 10 centimeter.
6, 8, and 10.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Vishal. Okay. Vishal, why late?
Small net problem, sir. Now it's
What net problem. Your area only net problem. Rest all guys join. Okay, try this question now. Okay.
so. What is the question?
The edges of a triangular board. The edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. 6, 8, and 10. Okay. The cost of painting it. The cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise. Find the cost of painting it. Find the cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise per centimeter square. Okay. Sides are 6, 8, 10. You find out the area and multiply by 9. Okay, do first. Okay. Okay, finish. What is the area you got?
24 centimeter per
24.
square.
So 24 into 9, how much?
24 centimeters square.
28,
So 216 centimeters square.
21,
206.
216
centimeters square.
centimeter square. No. You got area 24. 24 centimeter square. That multiplied by 9. How much?
216 paise.
216 paise. So that means 2.16 rupees. 2.16 rupees. Okay. 2.16 rupees. Aftaf, you got?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Aftaf. Aftaf, you got or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
You got the answer or not?
No, sir.
Then what you did? You got area?
Sir, can you repeat? Sir, I just joined now.
What repeat I have to do? What I have to repeat?
So the question.
So far what you did, I already finished, started now. Question already over now. Then what you,
Sir, I just joined now.
okay, join now. Next question you write. That's only. Okay.
Okay.
What is this? Next. Why you late?
Sir, I didn't get the phone. I'm almost sleeping.
Okay, next question, right? Ananya, finish or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kia, finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next question. Okay, look at here now. One question. Suppose you draw a triangle. Hello, you draw any triangle like this. A, B, C. You draw a triangle. Make the altitude like this. D, E. Altitude means perpendicular height. Okay, not just this one. F. Altitude means perpendicular. Okay, Perpendicular understood now? Like this. Draw straight. This angle to be 90. Here also 90. Here also 90. Draw like this. Okay, draw a triangle, any triangle. Draw a scalene triangle. Draw a scalene triangle, any triangle. Okay, and draw 3 altitudes. These altitudes should intersect each other. Altitude should be intersect each other like this. Okay,
Sir, draw a scalene triangle in a.
you draw. Draw, man. Okay. Okay. Then draw altitude. Then draw altitude. Okay. Draw a scalene triangle. Then draw 3 altitudes. These altitudes should pass through the same point.
Sir, finish.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, look at here. Now you notice which is the longest altitude, which is the longest one, which is the shortest one. Write down. Which is the longest one? You check your figure. You with the scale you measure it. With this, your figure, okay. With the scale you measure which is the longest. You write longest and shortest. Okay. First you write how much? AB how much? BC how much? CF how much? Then AD how much? ABE how much? CF how much? With the scale you mark it. Okay. With the scale you mark this all. Okay. Okay, finish. Because this is a different figure only. Okay. Anyone? Anyone? Can you? Anuvama, you finish?
No, sir.
Okay. You just draw a triangle. Then you measure AB how much? You write BC how much? AC how much? AD how much? BE how much? CF. Okay. What about Daksh? You finish?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, just listen out. I just take an example for from Daksh. Okay, Daksh, AB how much?
Sir, AB is 3 centimeter.
3, very small. Okay, BC
BC is 3.8.
Okay. And AC?
AC, sir, AC is, sir, 1 minute, wait. Yeah, sir, AC is 3.1.
Why you all small one, man? I told you to make it big. Okay, anyway. And now, AD how much?
AD is 2.4.
BE,
BE is 3 centimeter.
CF,
CF is 3.2 centimeter.
3.2. Okay, so which is the short, which is the short one is AB, right? Correct.
Sir,
No?
AB and BE are same, sir.
A and
Yes, sir. Sir, AB is the smallest one for me.
now AB is 3. AB is 3, and my question is AC how much?
Sir, AC is 3.1.
Yeah. So AB is the shorter one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here, which is the shorter one?
Sir, here is that BE.
BE shorter one, eh? Shorter
Yeah.
one is
No, sir, it's, yeah, sir.
shorter
No,
one
sir,
is
it's
AD.
AD. Yeah, AD,
Okay.
it's, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Another one more case I wanted to know. Okay. Anyone who for all finish? Anyone one more? Tia, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much AB you got? Measure. Tell me.
Sorry,
Hello.
sir, I didn't realize I was muted. 3.5 centimeter,
3.5. Okay. And BC?
7.5 centimeter,
Okay. And AC?
6.5,
And AD?
AD is 3.5,
Okay.
BE is 4.5, and CF is 6.8 centimeter.
Okay. Okay. Listen all. Now stop or stop all. Okay. AB 3. Chota one 3.5. 3.5. And CF is 6.5. CF is 6.5. The bigger one is 7.5. 7.5. AD is 3.5. What is your conclusion? This one. You have any comment? Yeah, from your experience, you did know. What do you think about this? You have any comment? Hello. Anyone have a comment? Check that both example here. AB is 3. CF is 3.2. BC is 3.8. AD is 2.4. So what is the meaning that? Come on. Anyone have a comment? Arunima, you have a comment?
So the shortest altitude is against the longest side.
Yes. The
The
shortest altitude is against the longest side. Correct or no? Shortest altitude is against the longest side. Longest altitude is against the shortest side. Correct or
Other
no?
side.
Is it matching with your figure or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means, okay, you write that one. The shortest altitude is against the longest side. The shortest altitude is the shortest altitude is against the longest side, and the longest altitude is against the shortest side. Longest altitude is against the shortest side. Longest altitude is against the shortest side. Okay, clear now? The shortest altitude is against the longest one. Longest win against shortest side. Okay. Now, come on. We don't want this now. This idea. Look at here. Suppose a triangle. Look at here. Suppose a triangle. Sides are like this. So dummy one, 5, 10, 6. 5, 10, 6. Okay.
Sir, your video is a bit blurred. for me.
It just wait. It will come. Okay.
Okay.
Let me change the net. Okay. Okay. Look at here. So okay now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at here. Here 5 A B C 5 10 6 5 10. Okay. Here we know that this will be the longest, shortest one, H1. This will be the longest one. Correct or not? This one, another one, H3. Okay. H1 is the shortest one. H2 is the longest one. Okay. Now, look at here. How to find out the longest and shortest altitude? That's important thing. Listen. How to find out the longest and shortest altitude? That means length. What is the length of the question may be asked like this? What is the length of the longest and shortest altitude? Question clear or not? Question okay or not? Find the shortest and longest altitude. Okay. What we'll do now? First of all, you have to find out the area by Heron's formula. You find the area. This one. Okay. Then suppose dummy one. Suppose this area is 200. Suppose, not correct, a dummy answer. Okay. This area is 200. Okay. To find the shortest altitude, you know that the shortest one is against the longest one. You just write half into 10 into H1 equal to 200. Because you know the area of a triangle formula is half base into height. If you want the shortest one, half into longest side into H1. Half into 10 into H1 is 200. We can find out H1. To find the longest one, what? Half into 5 into H2 equal to 200. So we can find out H2 also. Plan understood or not? Hello, you understood the plan? Once again, listen, once again, I'll tell you. The first step, you find out the area by Heron's formula. That's you do it. After that, read the question. What do you have to find out? The shortest altitude or longest altitude? If you want to find shortest altitude, that will be the against the longest side. Correct? The shortest is, once again, the shortest is against the longest side. So half into longest one into height equal to area. Here, half into 10 into h equal to area, we can find out the height. If you want to find the longest one, half into shortest into h equal to area. So we can find out. Now clear or not? Is it okay? Hello? Okay, try one question, then we come to know. Okay. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are 18, 24, and 30 centimeter. (18, 24, and 30).
18, 24, and could you repeat again?
18, 24, and 30. 18, 24, and 30. Then also find the longest and shortest. Find the longest and shortest altitude. Okay. Find, question again. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are 18, 24, and 30 centimeter. Then also find the longest and shortest altitude. Also find the longest and okay. First we find area, then find the shortest and longest altitude. Okay.
Or finish.
Okay. So what is the area he got?
Sir, 216
No, sir, I
centimeters.
didn't complete. So
Okay, okay. I'll wait. Okay. I'll wait. First, you find area. Okay.
Yes, I got the area, sir.
How much you got area?
So 216
So 216.
centimeters square.
200.
216 centimeters.
Okay, 216. So area is 216. Then which side is greater one? Which side is longer one? No.
Sir, I actually found only till the area.
Come on. Which side? My question is which side is longer one? Anubama, read the sides.
So 18, 24, and 30.
Okay, in this which is a longer one?
So 30.
30. So against 30 is the shortest one. Correct or no?
Yes, sir. 18.
So that means half into 30 into h equal to 260. So you can find out h. You can put h1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then which side is smaller one? Which side is smaller one?
18.
18. And I told you the longest altitude is against the shortest one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So half into 18 into h2 equal to 260. Okay. The plan is the question is what? This is the sides. Okay. Listen, Anaga, listen here. The sides are 18, 24, 30. Okay. The sides are 18, 24, and 30. So find the area. Our question is like this. Find the shortest and longest altitude. Find the shortest and longest altitude. We notice that the shortest is against the longest side. Shortest altitude is against the longest side. And shortest altitude is against the shortest one against the longest one. Longest one against the shortest side. Okay. So then, if it is a triangle like this, look. Here, P, Q, R. QR is the longest side. So this will be the shorter one. PQ is the shortest side. So this will be the longest altitude. That's important thing. Clear now? How to calculate it? How to calculate it? First find the area by using Heron's formula. Okay. In order to find the longest altitude, locate the shortest side. Okay, here shortest side is 18. So half into 18 into h2 equal to 260. So h2 you can calculate it. To find the shortest altitude, locate the longest side. Longest one is 30. So half into 30 into h1 equal to 260. h1 you can find out. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then complete first. And Anaga, are you okay? We got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which vaccine you got? There is
So Pfizer.
any rush is there?
Yes, sir. It was a bit rush. Like, there was a little bit rush.
But very smooth.
What, sir?
No, the queue is moving, no?
Yes, sir. It's moving.
Okay. So all the students there today. Okay. So clear now. Now next question. Okay. So next question. Okay. Right. Find the area of a rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus whose perimeter is 200 meter. Whose perimeter is 200 meter. Whose perimeter is 200 meter. Okay. Perimeter is 200 meter. And one of the diagonal is 80 meter. One of the diagonal is 80 meter. One of the diagonal is 80 meter. Okay, you can use this one. Question again. Find the area of a rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus whose perimeter is 200 meter. Whose perimeter is 200 meter. And one of the diagonal is 80 meter. Okay. Question clear or not?
So could you tell after the perimeter is 200 meter and one of the diagonal is?
Perimeter is 200 meter. One of the diagonal is 80.
Yes, sir.
Vishal.
Could you repeat?
Perimeter is
No, after
200.
rhombus.
Rhombus is 80. Clear now?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now my question, Vishal, what does it mean by rhombus?
It's a type of quadrilateral.
It's a quadrilateral only. Okay. No, what's special? What is speciality? Hey, Nitin, you didn't go for a vaccination? Hello, Nitin. Okay, Nikita, what is the rhombus is what? Rhombus is what? Neela, any idea?
Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel.
Opposites are parallel. Okay, that's not a important part. So rectangle also opposite sides are parallel. Okay.
All sides are equal.
All
Sides are equal.
all sides are equal. Yes, all sides are equal. All rhombus means rhombus is a parallelogram. You know that rectangle, square, rhombus are parallelograms only. Parallelogram means what? Opposite sides are parallel. Parallelogram means what? Opposite sides are parallel. You have a special chapter there is full parallelograms. Okay. Parallelogram means all opposite this side parallel this side parallel this side. Okay. And in parallelogram, all sides are equal. It is called a rhombus. In a parallelogram, all the sides are equal. It is called a rhombus. Okay. That's not enough now because we have a chapter in second term parallelograms. There we'll learn all the quadrilaterals. Okay. So now, what is the question? Each perimeter is 200. So what about the side now? Perimeter means what? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is 200. Then what about each side?
So each side will be 50.
50.
Sir,
So
each side
that
will be
is
50 centimeter.
for
50
A,
meter.
suppose each side is A. For A is 200. So A equal to 50. So we can assume here 50 is also 50. Then after that you can find out the area of this triangle, right? 50, 50, 80, you can find out area of this triangle by Heron's formula. Then after that what? Next is what? Hello. Next, what to do?
So we take
Huh.
take the area of the other triangle as well.
No need to find other side, other one. Your idea, okay, but no need to find your other side. Other area, you don't need to find it. What will do?
Oh, so we'll
Yes, sir,
double
after
the area.
add-
Just double.
the
Just
area.
double because same no. 50 here, 50 here, 80 here. So just you just find out area of one triangle and double it. That is the area of the rhombus. It's clear now? You okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then first you draw a figure, and Navadeep.
Sir.
Did you check the previous note? No, the video.
Yes, sir.
So you prepare the note also, right?
Yes, sir. I have written it.
Ah, then okay. You have a familiar now Heron's formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then okay. So first draw figure. Okay, draw the quadrilateral ABCD. So draw the rhombus ABCD. You mark it. For A equal to 200, A equal to 50, diagonal is 80. Then find the area of triangle ABD. Okay. The latecomers, if you want, you can listen here. I'm just working here. A equal to 50. A equal to 50. A equal to 50. B equal to 50. C equal to 80. Then S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 50 plus 50 plus 80 divided by 2. So 180 divided by 2 equal to 90, correct? Then S minus A, 90 minus 50 equal to 40. S minus B, 90 minus 50, again 40. S minus C, 90 minus 80, 10. Okay. Then area. Area formula is what? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, apply here. I am writing here, okay? Root of S 90 into 40 into 10. Okay. Don't factor. This is very easy one now. Very easy. How? Because here 240 there is 40 here, 40 here. We can take one outside. Understood? No. No need to prime factorize it. 40 to 40, 140 outside. Root of 90 into 10, 900. 900 root is what? Anyone remember our table 1? Table 1, 900 root is what? 30. So 40 into, that's why I told you make a table 1200 centimeters square. This is one triangle. Therefore,
So 30.
yeah, 30. Because table 1, you remember no, the first class. Okay. I told you make a table and by heart up to 30. Okay. So root of 900 is 30. 14 to 30, 1200. One triangle. Therefore, BCD also 1200. Total is 2400. Okay, do first. Okay, complete first. Okay. Okay, find first. Area of a rhombus is 2,400 centimeter square. Yes. Area of the total area is 2,400 centimeter square. Tia, finish. Ruband. Nandan. Navadeep. Navadeep. Finish
Sir.
or not? You, Navadeep, is from which place in India?
Sir, Tamil Nadu.
Which area? Tamil Nadu.
Tirunelveli.
Eh?
Tirunelveli.
Ah, okay. Okay, complete first, then I'll give next question, same type, another question also there. Okay, so finish all. Leela,
Yes,
finish.
sir.
So then try. Anyone finish or not? Anyone have doubt? Daksh, you finish? Ishan.
Yes, sir, done.
Ishan,
Yes, sir, I
finish?
did.
Okay.
Sir, I was Dakshar.
Sir, I
just
finished.
completed.
Yeah. Okay. So next question, similar one. Okay. Tia, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similar one question. The perimeter of a rhombus is 52 centimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus is 52 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 24 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 24 centimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus is 52 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 24 centimeter. Find the area of the rhombus. Find the area of the rhombus. Okay. The perimeter of a rhombus is the perimeter of a rhombus is 52 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 24 centimeter. Find the area of the rhombus. Find the area of the rhombus. Okay.
So could you repeat the question again?
The perimeter of a rhombus is 52 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
One of the diagonal is 24. Find the area.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, getting now? Hello. Getting, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, okay, try first. But anybody finish? Moira, finish? Nandan.
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. Navdeep, finish?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you got?
Sir, I'm just doing the last step. I'll finish until it's the last one
Okay, okay, I'll wait.
for the answer.
Okay. Anubama, finish?
No, so 1 minute.
Anaga. Okay. What is the area? Anybody got the area?
So 507 centimeters square.
500. It's totally, I think totally wrong. Check again.
So
Each side, how much you got?
I got 120 centimeters square.
Okay, how much each side? And Anubama, how much each side?
so 13, 13 and 52.
13 and 13, 52. How? Each side I'm asking you.
So that like oh A, B and C.
A, B, C, D. A, B, how much you got?
13,
B, C,
13,
C, D. How much CD? Eh?
13, 13,
Eh?
13,
DA?
13.
30. Okay, BD?
So that's 52.
52. Okay, you find this area?
Yes. So,
How much you got that area?
so that is only 507.
How 500? Okay. A how much? Tell me. I'll wait. I'll wait. A 13, right? B
Yes,
13. C
Yes,
is 52. Okay, what
Yes,
about
sir.
S?
39.
Is it correct? the 13 plus 13 plus 52 divided by 2. How much that? 26 plus 52, how much? Hello, those who finished, tell me.
78.
78. 78 divided by 2, 39. That is correct. Okay. Then 30 S minus A. 39 minus 13. How much? 39 minus 13. How much?
14.
26, right?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yes.
Okay. S minus B also 26. S minus C. 39 minus. How come 39?
So how
No,
is
wait.
13
So
plus
the
13 plus
question was
52?
perimeter is equal to 52 and
So instead of 52,
one
it
of
should
the
be
diagonal
24.
is
Ah.
24.
Sir,
You made a mistake. Diagonal is what? Diagonal is
So-
24. You put there 52?
Yes, sir, I put 52.
Why? You didn't read the question. Waste of time now.
So in the question itself, oh, sorry, sir. I instead of writing, I wrote the perimeter.
Vishal, you finish or not?
I did not, sir.
When you will finish today?
No, I'll finish only the last part. I'll finish it.
How much you got area of triangle 1? When I put the 52, no one noticed that. That is wrong. Anuvama said the wrong entry only. So no one said that. We just listened that.
I'm Tia, sir. I finished.
Okay. So answer is 120 centimeter square. Answer is 120 centimeter square. Okay, next question, right?
Yes, sir.
A rhombus field has green grass for 20 cows. A rhombus field has green grass for 20 cows. 20 cows to graze. A rhombus field has green grass for 20 cows to graze. Okay. Clear? First line, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If each side of the rhombus is 52 meter, each side of the rhombus is 52 meter. Each side of the rhombus is 52 meter. Okay. And longer diagonal is 96 meter. Longer diagonal is 96 meter. Longer diagonal is 96 meter. Okay. How much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? How much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? Clear or not? Hello? Question
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Question clear? Listen once again. A rhombus field has green grass for 20 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 52 meter and longer diagonal is 96 meter. How much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? How to find out this one? Hello, how to find this? Hello, come on. Read the question and answer. Anyone have idea how to find this?
Sir, first we'll find the area of the rhombus through the Hagen's formula, and then we'll divide it by 20.
Yeah, you find the area rhombus. You find the area of the rhombus, then divide by 20. Is it correct? It should be correct.
Yes, sir.
It should be correct or not? You got Sri. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Maybe. because practically not correct. Why? Which cow is smart? They eat more, no?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Which cow is smart? They will eat more. Okay, but mathematically, what you will do? You find the area of the rhombus, then divide by 20. Okay, do first.
20, sir.
Okay, divide by 20 cows. Okay. Each side is 52. Diagonal is 96. Find the area, then divide by 20. Do first. Okay, you find the area, of the rhombus, then divide by 20. Okay.
Sir, I found the answer.
How many cows?
Sir, 20 cows will get 43.2 meters square of field.
No, it's wrong.
Sir, it's 20 cows, right?
Yeah, 20 cows. Each cows, how much you get?
Okay. Sir, it's 43.2, right?
Hey, come on, man. No, wrong.
Sir, I finished.
How much?
12 meters square.
12. Hey. 12 is wrong. You are against the cows. You're not giving the grass. Okay. How much area you got?
So 960 meters.
No, no, no.
Meters square.
Check again. Check again. Check. Sanyukta, I want only how each cow how much can graze area, not okay, not meter. Each cow how much can graze. So find the area divided by 20. Okay, that's all I want. For all announce the answer, they have to check the answer. Okay.
Sir, is the answer 96 meters?
I don't know.
Seven, I got 96 meter.
Yes.
So the area I got is 96 meters square.
How much? My question is how much the area of the rhombus? Anubama, how much you got?
Sir, I did not find it yet.
Then how you got the answer? You're telling
Yes,
all
sir, I
lies
got the
only.
area, but I didn't yet divide it.
No, how? No, wait. I'll kick you. Answer me my question. How much area of one triangle you got?
So 960 meters square.
96.
I'm asking Anubama. Don't answer anyone. Anubama.
96.
Eh?
96.
One triangle 96, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then how many cows?
So 20.
20. 96 divided by 20, how much? Send me the note now. Send me the note. I want to see that. How you got 96? Send me the note. Hello?
Yes.
Send me now, fast.
Yes, sir.
Even one side itself 96 there is. Send me the note fast. Send it.
So 1 minute, please. Actually, it's out.
Send it now.
Yes, sir. I'm sending.
This is the third question I'm doing rhombus question. Okay. Send. You already finished. You announced the answer. Then why can't you send it?
Sir, I sent.
Where is the figure? Anivama,
So I drew it in my rough.
where is that rough paper? Send me that.
Yes, I'll send.
This is where is A? You didn't write A. You didn't write A also.
Sir, I wrote it in the first page, sir. I'll send that also.
Where that?
Sir, I'll send that with the figure.
Okay, show me the figure. Why it is a rough paper? It's a part of the answer now.
So actually I drew it in my rough paper and I'll send you the A. Sir, I sent you that figure.
Okay, listen. Others, Anonima, how much you got the first triangle? S 52 plus 96 by 2. Anonima,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
S is 100, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
S minus A, how much? 48.
Yes, sir.
S minus B.
48.
Okay, S is 100 into 48 into 48 into S minus 4, right? This is the one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this
Yes,
one,
sir.
listen here. This is the simplest one. No need to find out any factor because why? Root of 100 is what? 10 into 48 into 48. 248 there is. So 148 outside. Root of 4 is what? 2. So what is that? 960 meter square is the area. Right?
Yes, sir.
960 meter square is the area. One triangle. This is the one triangle. Then into 2. How much? 1920 meter square. This is the area. Area of the rhombus is 1920 meter square. Then divide by 20. This is the answer. Anuvama, how you got this? Okay, you got 96. You missed. You
Yes,
missed.
sir.
You missed. You didn't touch the 100, right?
Yes, sir. I missed that.
Listen. That 100, take it outside. It will be what? 10.
Yes, sir.
So that 960. 960 is only one triangle. 960 only one. The rhombus. Only one triangle 960. Second also 960. So total area 1920. That divided by 20. Okay, correct it now all.
Yes, I'll correct it.
Okay. Tia, you finished?
Yes, sir.
You got each cow gets 96
Yeah, sir. 96 meters.
meter square. Okay. So let's all complete first. Okay. I have to do one more question, so finish it.
So the total area of rhombus is 1920 meters square.
Okay, then what? Our question is what? Each curve how much?
Yes, sir. To divide it
Divided by what?
so by 20.
Divided by what?
So 20.
20. Vishal, you finish or not?
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, what? How many? How much area you got?
Uh, 1900.
Each cow get 1,900. You will buy another field and give to cow.
No.
Chennai, you plan to buy one field and for cows.
Not like that.
Then what? We have area 1,920. 20 cow is there. So each cow how much get what? 1920 divided by 20.
Okay, sir. Wait, 96, which is
Okay. So next question. Hello. Yes, Patrick. I'll upload. Okay. The sides of each class I upload is the not ask the question. The sides of a triangular field are the sides of a triangular field. The sides of a triangular field are 51, 37, and 20. The sides of a triangular field are 51, 37, and 21, 20 meters. All meters, okay? 51, 37, 20 meter. 51, 37, 20. Find the number of rose buds. Find the number of rose buds that can be prepared in the field. Find the number of rose buds. Find the number of rose buds, BEDS, that can be prepared in the field. That can be prepared in the field if each rose bud occupies 6 square meter. 6 square meter. Which 6 square meter? Clear or not?
Sir, how
Sir,
much,
could
sir? 6?
Question. The sides of a triangular field. The sides of a triangular field are 51, 37, 20 meters. Find the number of rose buds. Find the number of rose buds that can be prepared in the field if each rose bud occupies 6 square meter. Each rose bud occupies 6 square meter. Okay.
so your
Fine.
voice is lagging from.
That's your net is problem, man. That's all okay. Okay, everything is there. This is the triangular field. Okay. This for one rose bud. You find out. Navadeep, you got the question?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then find out. Draw. Figure is not required. You just write A, B, C, find the area and divide.
So can you please say the question again?
What?
So the question.
Question. The sides of a triangular field are 51, 37, and 20 meter. Clear or not? This line clear or not? Hello. The sides of a triangular field are 51, 37, and 20 meter. Find the number of rose beds that can be prepared in the field if each rose bed occupies 6 square meter. Okay, do fast now. Anybody got the answer?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I got 51 rose beds.
51. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir.
Area, how much you got?
Sir, area I got 306 meters square.
306. 306. No, 306. Then
Yes, sir.
306
306 meters square.
divide by 6. 51 cross
Yes,
bed.
sir.
Okay, correct.
Sir, I got the answer, sir.
Okay, how much you got?
Sir, 51 rose buds.
Okay, correct. Okay.
Sir, I got the area as 306 meters squares and 51 rows.
And 51. Why two answer? How much you got area?
Sir, area is 306 meters square.
Then why 51?
So I divided that by 6.
Okay, divided by 6, it will be 51. Okay. So 51 rose beds. Okay, this enough
Sir,
today.
I got the answer.
Okay. This enough today. Prepare it. Next class continuation of this chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.